Hey y'all, so on this show I'll be making a jerk chicken Alfredo. Y'all know I love my pasta. So you're gonna start out with this jerk marinade, your Alfredo, and linguine pasta, or whatever pasta you want to do. This is my chicken. I'm gonna make sure it's all marinated and shit. Sauteing the chicken. So as the Alfredo is cooking, I'm gonna add some more of the Jamaican jerk marinade to it and mix that in. Then I'm going to add my pasta. And that's the final part. Then I'm going to add some parsley and some parmesan. And that's it. And I'm going to fuck this up. Bye.